Alright, just got our hot pot grill. So far we really like it. I wanted to make a short video just for the things that I didn't see in the description. Maybe this will help somebody who's thinking about buying it. Got your temperature adjustments for the hot pot and grill. But yeah, the hot pot is about 9.5-inch diameter. It holds about 5 cups on each side before it spills over that center divider. Realistically, you're probably going to be boiling like 3 to 4 cups on each side, and then add your meat, veggies, whatnot. Plenty of grill space. We got this for little get-togethers so everybody can kind of hang out at the table, you know, talk and grill and eat. It just seemed like it'd be pretty fun. But yeah, I feel like this is probably made for like 4 people. You can grill a ton, but the soup, like I said, is about 3 cups on each side. So, you know, depending on how big your portions are, you know, maybe 4 or 5 people. Power cable is 5 feet long. It works for us, but if you're far away, if your table is far away from the plug, you know, you might consider a, you know, surge protector or extension cord that you might need. So that's just kind of a heads up, I guess. Might as well just show you. So the heating elements are built into the pot. We're hand washing this. The instructions didn't say anything about dishwasher safe, but because it's non-stick, made it real easy to clean up. Anyway, hope this helps. Like I said, those are just a few things I didn't see in the description, so I figured I'd make a quick video because we really like this thing. Alright.